Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is HTC U24 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to send group text message on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open Messages app, and right here we have to start a chat. Now here we have to click on the create group option, and here we have to choose who we want in our group message. Then we have to click next. We can, but we don't have to name our group. We have to click done, and right here we can type and send message on this group to all of them. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!